In this video we are going to show you how to use a volumetric flask. These are used to create solutions of an exact known concentration. Volumetric flasks come in a variety of sizes which are printed on the sides. Partway up the neck of the flask there is a line. Fill the flask exactly to this line to achieve the correct volume. As volumetric flasks are used to prepare solutions of exact concentration, the whole process needs to be carried out with precision. Dispense an exact volume of concentrated solution into the volumetric flask. This is usually done with a volumetric pipette or a micropipette. Add diluent to the flask. Here we're using distilled water. Fill the volumetric flask to about 2/3 and swill gently to mix the solution. It's very important that you have a homogeneous mixture before continuing. Start to add the diluent in a more controlled manner as you approach the line. Use a dropper to reach the correct volume. This should be carried out at eye level. Cap the flask and invert several times to ensure you have a well-mixed solution. Dispense your concentrated solution into the volumetric flask. Using a beaker or wash bottle, start adding your diluent. Depending on your technique, you might end up with 2 separate layers. For example, water on top of your concentrated solution. So when the flask is 2/3 full, swill it gently until the solution becomes homogeneous. Then continue filling carefully until you're close to the line. Add the last bit dropwise while keeping the flask at eye level. You have achieved the exact volume when the bottom of the meniscus sits on top of the line. Cap the flask and invert several times to ensure the solution is mixed thoroughly. After inverting the flask, the bottom of the meniscus may be lower than the line. This is normal. Do not add more water at this point. If you don't take care when filling the flask and overshoot the line, you have created a solution of unknown concentration. In other words, you have to start again. When making a solution from a solid, fill the flask to 2/3 and make sure the solid is completely dissolved before filling to the line.